hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya know? Newlink and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
And when I reach 90 now, my face start wrinkle up. Then I find one of the finest Chinese man with a steam iron. I make him press out me blood clot face. Just put it on one industrial iron board and just press out. I got a dirty dread that look for my face. This is an dread not my love. I go for say. The judge look for me, I tell my friend them my life for the judge look for me, how? No, to make you ask a while ago, I tell my friend them for the judge look for me. So you say a while, so I ask you back a while. You come thinking of something nasty a while ago? No, why would I say something nasty about you? You know, trouble, if you fuck with me now, then we will say something nasty. Because I can't say something nasty. But if you don't fuck with me, I'm not going to spin up my nasty. You know, the second time, you know, you see me and go out, you want to bully me. One time, you see me on wall right through already, so I'm going out, you want to bully me, you know. You me see up on wall right through already. Yeah, but now tell something to see up wall right through. My blood clot. All right, then. So man, know you have fight on, yeah? All right, then. Walk, go on, then, for the first you see me. Because remember, you turn back an argument with me now. Are you or something? No, I say, see the dread there, look for me. And you ride by your bicycle and you turn back. And just a question I ask. Why you walk with yourself? Because then you come back and ask me question and me answer your question. So ride, go on, man. Ride, go on, man. I want the blood clot, do you, man? That your excitement, really. Hey, I stab you and then your blood clot and run left you. And that more your blood clot more. And that more your blood clot more. Juke with a juke under your ribs. And run left your blood clot. You think I eat that? I tell him the blood clot comes from a bad man grow me. I want you. I juke with a juke under your blood clot ribs and run left you. Go a pussy. Suck your mother dread. You think you can bad me a pussy? That suck out your mama. Boy, you turn back for me. Go ahead. That suck your mama. Stab you and stab you under your ribs, pussy. That suck your mother, batty boy. As we were saying, like him thinking can blood clot intimidate me. Go ahead, dirty dread. As we were saying, my friend, the dirty dread here, when we say dirty dread, in
hotter. What them a go do ya know? Newlink and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.